symbol of how that culture expresses itself in various forms that identifies that culture.
There are different kind of art forms, there are different kind of cultural practices which different communities use and which they celebrate, and it is not necessary that we are talking in terms of only dance, theatre or music, but even everyday cultural expressions.
Cultural diversity is like a collage, you see. You have a collage of forms, different colors, different shapes, different artifacts, but it's all in one frame.
When we talk about cultural diversity, we are talking, among other things, of difference. But not just difference, of difference that is cherished.
20 years turmoil and conflict has very deeply affected cultural practices in Kashmir, and also the kind of orthodoxy which came with that. I mean, if we are talking of the valley, the fact that there were many things which were just banned. You were not allowed to see cinema, you were not allowed to perform, you were not allowed to do theatre, and there was a clamping in on all these cultural expressions.
The Kashmiri Muslim youngster of 21, 22, who was born in turmoil, he has seen nothing but bloodshed. He has seen his relatives getting killed. He has heard Fidain blasts happening. He has heard IED blasts taking place. His vocabulary has changed. He has heard of cordon and surge. He has heard of curfew. And he is the person who wants freedom. He doesn't want freedom in the sense of location at a different geographical place. He wants freedom from that environment of suffocation.
यहाँ के लोग ज़्यादा बिजनेस माइंडेड ज़्यादा हैं। मुझे लगता है कि आर्टिस्ट को वो फॉर ग्रांटेड लेते हैं कि ये प्रोफेशन नहीं हो सकता है, हॉबी के लिए ठीक है। यहाँ की मेंटालिटी जो है, यहाँ तो मोहल्ले वालों को भी नाम नहीं पता होता है फाइन आर्ट्स की कॉलेज है।
Photography is just like a useless profession because you don't earn much in photography. So it doesn't give you a big doctorate name or it doesn't give you an engineer degree. But still, I fought for my dreams. I still fight for my dreams.
कल्चर तो एक ही है, लेकिन अब ये परफॉर्मेंस जो हैं ये अलग अलग होते हैं। जिस तरह कश्मीर में अलग परफॉर्मेंस है, जम्मू में अलग फोक है और लद्दाख में अलग फोक है।
Art performances, writers can play a major role as individuals. Media can play a good role, you know, instead of trying to play divisive, an agent of division. It can maybe play down, not sensationalize the divisive politics, instead play a more harmonizing role.
जैसे कि लद्दाख फेस्टिवल आ रहा है, अब वो लद्दाख फेस्टिवल सिर्फ लद्दाख में ही होगा। वो जम्मू के लोग लद्दाख में देखने नहीं जाएंगे या श्रीनगर के लोग देखने नहीं जाएंगे। हाँ, ये हो सकता है कि कुछ फॉरेन टूरिस्ट जो होंगे वो उसको एंजॉय करेंगे एज कम्पेयर टू जम्मू या श्रीनगर के लोग।
On one hand, that within Kashmir, these practices were not allowed to prosper, and practitioners not allowed to do what they wanted to. On the other hand, they were totally cut off from the rest of the world, and culture grows through interaction.
आर्ट एक्सपैंड ही होता है ज़्यादा इंटरेक्शन से, तरह तरह के रीजनल आर्ट देखने से।
Art is a universal language. No, it's the language which reaches out to people most easily without any barrier. You bring different art forms together, they gel so easily. That's why arts, music, culture is brought together to really come over this concept of diversity.
cultural diversity makes you more tolerant, but it is important there has to be a constant interaction between various cultures.
सोसाइटी में चेंज लाने के लिए आर्ट एंड कल्चर ही जो बेस्ट जो टूल है, जो एक ट्रिगर ऑफ द चेंज के लिए भी, इससे बेस्ट और कोई टूल नहीं है। जो पॉलिटिशियन डिवाइड करते हैं, ये आर्ट जो होता है मर्जर करता है बाउंड्रीज को।
नई जनरेशन जो है बिल्कुल म्यूजिक के साथ जुड़ गए वो, मगर उसको कोई रास्ता दिखाने वाला होना चाहिए।
The role of women in family, women as the transmitters of culture. I mean, that's we really should gender this to a large extent, because it's women who sort of really transmit culture in the most powerful and some ways pristine form.
एग्जीबिशंस हो रही हैं, अखबारों में ये सब खबरें आ रही हैं, तो ये ऑब्वियस सी बात है कि नई जनरेशन इसे देखेगी। और जिस तरह से आज इंटरनेट का ज़माना है, आज जैसे मतलब हर एक चीज़ सामने आ रही है, तो हाँ, फोटोग्राफी की तरफ भी जो आज की जनरेशन है वो बढ़ रही है।
बच्चों का बिल्कुल रुझान जो है प्योरली अपने कल्चर की तरफ एकदम आकर्षित होता जा रहा है।
I find myself as a volunteer giving away something, that can help a lot of people understand that how rich this culture is.
Cultural diversity can lead to harmonious living, which is evident in this state.
जम्मू कश्मीर हालांकि आउटसाइडर्स के लिए वही है कि डिस्टर्ब्ड है, कंडीशंस आउट हियर आर नॉट सो गुड, बट एट द सेम टाइम जहाँ की जो कल्चरल डाइवर्सिटी है, जो कल्चरल स्ट्रेंथ है इसकी, वो मुझे लगता है अमेजिंग है। उसी स्ट्रेंथ को हमें सेलिब्रेट ही नहीं करना चाहिए, बल्कि कोशिश करनी चाहिए कि जब जब हमें मौका मिले हमें इसको प्रोजेक्ट करना चाहिए।
In 2005, I still remember that I insisted with our team that we would do a program, and what was said was that it is not allowed in Kashmir. We also tried and got artists from Jammu Kashmir and Ladakh to perform together. There was animosity at one level and there were prejudices against each other. It took us almost 3-4 days of having these artists together and performing together that then they were able to enjoy and play their different instruments together and be on the stage at the same time. I think which is a very big achievement of this festival.
Initiative that Anhad had taken to showcase the different cultures of Jammu and Kashmir, which itself is like a mini India. It has so many different ethnicities, regions, cultures, religion, languages.
जिस तरीके से एक ही सांझे मंच पर, अनहद के मंच पर हम सभी लोग जम्मू के, कश्मीर के और लद्दाख के लोग प्रस्तुत कर रहे हैं, मैं कहता हूँ ये एक बहुत बड़ा मैसेज है, ये बहुत बड़ा संदेश है हमारी एकता का, हमारे प्यार का और हमारे मेल जोल का।
एक एनजीओ का इतने बड़े लेवल पर कंपाइल करना, एक गुलदस्ते में सारे फूल पिरो दिए है उन्होंने।
हमारे जो जम्मू एंड कश्मीर के अलग रीजन, 3 रीजन, जहाँ लद्दाख, कश्मीर और जम्मू, तो अलग अलग रीजन में से हैं, तो हम सब यहाँ मिल के लद्दाख, कश्मीर और जम्मू एक हो के एक प्लेटफॉर्म पर हमने जो डांस किया, परफॉर्मेंस किया, मुझे आज तक इससे बड़ा खुशी और कहीं नहीं हुआ।
It's a request that in future events like these should come up so that young people get an opportunity to portray their work.
These sorts of festivals, by creating, on a common platform, getting various cultural forms together, whether in the performing arts or in the visual arts, or indeed even in the literary arts, in literature, it's extremely important. It in a very real sense, by sort of getting people physically together, it actually brings that cultural vitality and diversity alive.